Hey everybody, before we get started on taking this car apart, the first thing we got to do is build an engine support. We've got to build a piece that's going to sit on top of here and hold the engine up because the whole subframe that supports the engine is coming off. Here we go. You may have asked yourself, what does this guy know about BMWs? Let me tell you. I went to school for 18 months to become a BMW factory certified technician. Then I worked at a dealership for 2.5 years, in which I got diesel certified, and then I worked at an independent shop for 2.5 years. On top of that, I've always owned a BMW. I learned to drive on a BMW. It started with an E30 and it's going to end with an E30. With that being said, let's get into this. Before we get started, it's important to release any bald eagles that may have been trapped in the exhaust. Now that the bald eagles have been set free, the first thing I want to do to protect my brand new engine mounts is unbolt them from the subframe. And then on the transmission mounts, we're just going to loosen these nuts instead of removing them all the way. So what had happened was I scrapped that idea, went on Amazon, and bought this nice little engine support. It's the same one that I used when I was at the independent shop. I will post the link in the description below for you. And so today, instead of building an engine support, all we're going to do is just unbox the Amazon engine support, install it, get the engine lifted off the subframe, and call it a day. Let's get into it. Here's a very important piece of advice. When you're doing something like this and you have an engine support in between the car and the hood, even if your hood struts are brand new, you always want to put a lock on your hood struts. So if you're doing this at home, make sure to lock it. You can even use a pair of vice grips if you want. Now, the only thing to do is we can either tighten these and lift it, which is pretty slow, or we can put a jack underneath and push it up and then tighten these down. So that's what I'm going to do. Here we go. Pump, pump, pump it up. P-U-M-P, pump it up. Let's check the clearance in there. Looks great. All we got to do is lock those big nuts down on the top. And she is set. Okay, that's pretty much all she wrote for today. The next thing we're going to see is some axles start to fall out. So, you guys stay adventurous out there, and I'll see you next time.